Okay. Hey, if you've been with us during this series, this is Friday, the 21st of July, and we have traded the entire week. Some days we've traded twice. We've traded all the US sessions, traded a couple of the Euro sessions. So there's about, I think, 7 videos here in succession, consecutive, just sort of taking it as it goes. We've started this trade already. Now, the thing to note here is it is Friday, so the volume's not going to be what it would normally be. I got in the trade a little bit late on design. The other thing is, look how many contracts are in this trade, 50 contracts. Why? Because we said this series this week was going to be high contracts, small trades. If you have the account and can do it, and in this particular instance, you can see my stop. I have to blur them out because what our obligations with the broker, so we can't show private data, but that is a stop sitting there, and it's a very tight stop. So if this thing would have gone against me, that would have been the trade wouldn't have worked, but it didn't. It actually went down, and if you see that big red candle at about 602, 603, that told me, and then right next to it, you've got that little naked candle, which was a price failure. That told me that you've got a really good shot right here, and so we went in right there. We're already up to 7,500, and this is the beauty of having a large account and going after small 15, 20, 25 point trades. The money is fantastic, and you can do it with really tight stops. We teach this technique, and it is extremely effective. As you can see right here, we're at $10,000. I mean, this was, for a lot of people, that would be a great week. And I'm not scoffing at it. We're really happy to have it. This week has been a fantastic week. You saw if you watched the videos. I think earlier in the videos I said this was a $40,000 week. It was closer to 50. And just a fantastic week. And frankly, we didn't really take any crazy chances. We just did what we know to do. So in this particular instance, I'm watching. You can see my exit right there, that big white line. Anytime you see a big white line, red line on the screen, you know that's where we're looking for the trade to end. It's going to bounce. We don't think it's going to go much further than there. So I'm watching for it very closely, and I'm not going to give this back. I'm not too concerned because the size of the candles tells me that the likelihood that we've got enough volume to really hurt us going the other way, not going to happen. And at this point, we've reached our goal. We're at 11,000, 11,500. Would I take more? Heck yeah, who wouldn't? But we're so doggone close. So I hope you've enjoyed this series. We're going to flatten this one out. Bingo. And I hope you've enjoyed this series this week. This is a fantastic way to trade. It's a heck of a lot of fun. Thanks for tuning in.